Tesla Sweden appeals after grid company refuses to restore Supercharger. Tesla Sweden is seeking regulatory intervention after a Swedish power grid company refused to reconnect an already operational Supercharger station due to ongoing union sympathy actions. The charging site was previously functioning before it was temporarily disconnected in April last year for electrical safety reasons. A temporary construction power cabinet supplying the station had fallen over, described by Tesla as occurring under unclear circumstances. The power was then cut at the request of Tesla's installation contractor to allow safe repair work. While the safety issue was resolved, the station has not been brought back online. Stefan Sedin, CEO of Jamkraft Elnät, told Dagens Arbete that power will not be restored to the existing Supercharger station as long as the electric vehicle makers' union issues are ongoing. One of our installers noticed that the construction power had been backed up and was on the ground. We asked Tesla to fix the system, and their installation company in turn asked us to cut the power so that they could do the work safely. When everything was restored, the question arose, wait a minute, can we reconnect the station to the electricity grid? Or what does the notice actually say? We consulted with our employer organization, who were clear that as long as sympathy measures are in place, we cannot reconnect this facility, Sedin said. The union's sympathy actions, which began in March 2024, apply to work involving planning preparation, new connections, grid expansion, service, maintenance and repairs of Tesla's charging infrastructure in Sweden. Tesla Sweden has argued that reconnecting an existing facility is not equivalent to establishing a new grid connection. In a filing to the Swedish Energy Market Inspectorate, the company stated that reconnecting the installation is therefore not covered by the sympathy measures and cannot therefore constitute a reason for not reconnecting the facility to the electricity grid. Sedin, for his part, noted that Tesla's issue with the Supercharger is quite unique, and while Jamkraft Elnät itself has no issue with Tesla, its actions are based on the union's sympathy measures against the electric vehicle maker. This is absolutely the first time that I have been involved in matters relating to union conflicts or sympathy measures. That is why we have relied entirely on the assessment of our employer organization. This is not something that we have made any decisions about ourselves at all. It is not that Jamkraft Elnät has a conflict with Tesla, but our actions are based on these sympathy measures. Should it turn out that we have made an incorrect assessment, we will correct ourselves. It is no more difficult than that for us, the executive said. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.